Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the JUTC depot in Spanish Town. We're out by Twickenham Park in Spanish Town. Now JUTC operates three main bus depots in Jamaica. This one here in Spanish Town, there's one in Portmore and there is one in Kingston. So we did tours of the others, so today we're giving you a tour of this one. Now recently the Portmore depot has been in the news because that's where the 100 new CNG buses are located. The Portmore depot is the only one that has the capability to fuel the CNG buses. So what is happening is the diesel buses that were at the Portmore depot have been sent to these two other depots. Some even went to Montego Bay. And I must say the 100 new buses have made a significant improvement to the JUTC service. Just driving on the road, sometimes at one intersection, like today we're on Marcus Garvey Drive, and the turn off where you turn to go onto First Street to go into Newport West. At that stoplight, there were 3 JUTC buses. 3. I must say the service has really improved. Guys, can you imagine when the JUTC has 200 more buses? Wow, they should be able to provide an island-wide service when that happens. So the JUTC needs 400 buses a day to roll out. They only have 270, but they're working on refurbishing some of these old buses that you see here. Like at the bottom left of the screen, those extended buses, I think they call them the articulated buses. Those are being refurbished and some are actually out on the road. So a lot of these older buses here at this depot are being refurbished to go out on the road. And in addition to that, they are buying 200 more CNG buses. 100 next year and 100 a year after. So it's just a matter of time before the JUTC is running at peak efficiency. I'm not sure how many of these buses are operational, because a lot of the old buses are parked here. And with 12 of the buses from the Portmore depot went to the Montego Bay Metro, and they have been able to provide so many more routes in Montego Bay just because they got 12 buses. You have from Montego Bay, you can go to the parish capital of every town, every parish in Western Jamaica. From Montego Bay, you can go to Falmouth, the capital of Trelawney. You can go to Lucy, the capital of Hanover, and you can go to Savlamar, the capital of Westmoreland. Somebody pointed out that St. Elizabeth is also in the western part of Jamaica, but as of today, they don't have any bus service to Black River. But I'm sure that's going to change when the highway goes from Montego Bay to Black River. I'm not sure if these buses could manage going over Long Hill, because I don't know if the road is wide enough to accommodate these buses. Guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. If the road from Montego Bay to Black River would be able to manage these buses. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.